So this is 6 months later. So
back to back like
he
that.
don't went to jail, and then now I was in a situation where I could have went to jail too.
So it's very it's very important to highlight how your life could have easily went another direction.
Yeah.
Just that close from a decision, right?
Yeah.
Like that, right?
Right.
Wow. So now obviously you escaped the so let me add, but you have to wait a minute, Isaac. Though I applaud you in your journey and everything like that, I don't like what you're doing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna push back and I'm gonna challenge you, bro. I don't like what you're doing, bro, because I talk about this all the time. The power of information is a gift and a curse.
Yeah.
A gift because, you was able to build, again, consume the information, apply it to life. Boom.
Yeah.
But how many people subscribe to that same pill and it just, it didn't work out. You know what? Forget about it. Yeah, I took this YouTube course. Nah, I didn't make the $1 million. Forget it. I made $2 last week.
Right.
So, right, we get a lot of that, right, which I call these microwave babies, right?
Yeah.
So I want you to really share with everybody. So how you've gotten out of trouble, right? And you transition and grind and put all of your energy into real estate, bro.
Yeah.
So why real estate though? Why that? Because real estate is normally thought as a long-term game.
Yeah. So the reason why real estate, man, is because I was thinking long-term.
Seriously?
Yeah.
At a young age?
At a young age, I was always thinking long-term. Always wanted to be able to leave something behind for my family. I really didn't know how I would do it, but when real estate, it was an opportunity that God put in front of me. It wasn't something that was pre-planned. I had never heard about real estate until I had heard about it. And I heard about it through a little bit through my father. So my father had came home when I was about 19, turning 20.
Okay.
And he was going to some a real estate shop. So he was incarcerated, probably hearing about real estate.
Right.
So he planted the bug, the seed into me. And then you know how the YouTube algorithms work. Once you start talking about something, it just starts coming.
Just starts coming at that point.
So it turned. Then I seen a clip, 3-time felon turned real estate mogul, and that's when I ran into Jay Morrison.
So this really the inspiring moment that to say, boom, real estate all in.
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. Jay and I, we're not in relationship. We're not in partnerships anymore. But I'll give kudos where all kudos need to be. Respect, because that's what inspired me to say that I could do this real estate thing,
Yeah, because, and the reason why I said mostly for our people, I think we talked about this, how we really look up to entertainers, athletes, and everything. You're a former athlete yourself, a boxer and everything. And you said you even play football a little bit, right?
Yeah, I play a little bit of football, but I ain't go far with it. Yeah, I ain't go far with it.
But it's obviously it's easy to say athletics could have easily been your gate, that lane you went to. Yeah. Especially again, and I want everybody to understand that, especially now with the rise of platforms like EYL and $1 million worth of game, where it shows how the power of information can lead you to entrepreneurship. For our people, we don't have to go into being an entertainer. We don't have to be an athlete. We actually can tap into entrepreneurship and everything. And, you've really highlighted that. So I wanted to go ahead and transition into